Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. My name is Brandon. Quick introduction, I own a digital marketing agency where we help insurance brands scale up, become industry leaders in a niche through digital paid media platforms, and we help them get more traffic, leads and policyholders directly through PPC campaigns like Google, Facebook, Instagram, social media advertising, and we do that on paid ads. In this video, I wanted just to explain the common problems that I typically see across ad platforms that are making it much harder for the brands to scale. And really, these problems here are holding back the actually brand from scaling up with paid media. So I want to touch on the sort of two major problems that I see. I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix those problems. And I'm also going to show you a 3-step process, or the results from a 3-step process that I use in my agency to actually combat and apply to our clients' ad accounts to really help them explode and scale and get much better results from ads. Or potentially they're not running ads at all. We add this 3-step process in when we actually launch their campaigns to get them really, really great results straight off the bat. So I'm going to jump into that now. So as you can see, I've got a small graph. At the top of the graph, this is the ad platform. So this is really, the ad platform driving the traffic. This can be Google, this can be any sort of PPC, social media, that type of stuff, anywhere where you're sort of running the ads. And what that is actually doing, obviously the main point in that is it's driving traffic to the website and the landing page. The ideal scenario being that somebody goes onto the quote page, they become a lead. This may be the thing that you're optimizing for. So they become a lead on the website, they input all the information that they need, and then they submit that across, and then your phone call center contacts them and sells the policy. Or if you buy online, you've got that being processed from a lead down to a purchase, and then that's being purchased online. Obviously, the idea is the traffic always becomes a policyholder. That's the ideal scenario. But there's a few issues here, and as you can see, I've highlighted the problems. The first one here being really directly correlated just to the ad platform, and that's poor campaign structure. So the actual advertising platform that you're running the ads on is not optimized fully. You've not got the right campaign structures, you've not got the right setup, you've not got the right tools in place. So you're burning money straight off the bat. You're basically making it much harder for these ad platforms to deliver your ads in the right auction place at the cheapest cost. So that's the biggest problem that I see straight off the bat if we're taking on a new client that is already running existing ads before. And then you've also got here, this is a major problem. This is obviously people leaving. So these are people that land onto the website. They have not completed this process, but they just land on the web page and then they X off. Both these problems, people leaving the pages and obviously the poor campaign structure, it's just wasted money. You're spending the money and it's just nothing's happening with it. So there's wasted ad dollars, ad pounds, whatever. So how do we fix that? Well, now we know what the two biggest problems are. Obviously, how do we fix that? Well, the poor campaign structure can be fixed just literally by simplifying the ad account structure and creating ads that people actually want to click, and leverage the algorithm to deliver the ads to the cheapest possible price to the cheapest possible person. And basically how you do that is you consolidate everything down. You make it really, really easy to understand. The easier you can understand it, the easier the algorithm and the system can understand it. So there doesn't need to be hundreds of thousands of campaigns with loads and loads of different things spread out. The campaign should be very consolidated on all these platforms. So that's how you fix that in a nutshell, basically. I'm not going to dive into the exact ins and outs, as this video will be a couple of hours long. But that's the idea of it. The other one is the people leaving. Well, how do we fix that? Well, obviously you can't avoid people leaving. Not 100% of the people who land on the website are going to become customers. But you can recycle this traffic and recycle those leads or potential customers by retargeting these people. So anyone who leaves on the web page, people who start a quote and don't finish it, anyone who basically engages with your business in any form can actually be retargeted with additional adverts that address things like customer pain points, give social proof, just again, more touch points to get into your brand. And this is really, really cheap traffic, and a lot of brands are not using this. And as soon as you add that in, all you're doing is making, people already aware of the brand. They're already interested. They just didn't take the action the first time around. So what you do is you then advertise to them, hit them with a few more touch points, so they're aware of the brand. You've got that omnipresence, and then obviously they click it again and become a customer. Like I said, super, super cheap traffic to run, really easy to get in front of these people. And if you're not utilizing that and you're not leveraging that, that is definitely something that you should be doing. And then again, once you've fixed that, you're going to be driving better traffic to the landing page, more traffic to the landing page at a cheaper cost, which obviously you'll get cheaper conversions and cheaper customers doing it that way. So as I mentioned, I've got a 3-step process in my agency that will basically guarantee success to get more leads, more policyholders. And we apply this 1, 2, and 3-step process down in a strategy that we apply, and then that drives out of the bottom of the funnel more leads, more policyholders. And then what does that allow your business to do? Well, that allows your business as an insurance company to scale faster. So because you're getting more revenue and more profit, you're going to be able to scale faster. That is in, hiring more staff, getting a better dev team to sort of build the website out. Maybe you want to go into buy onlines. Maybe you want more call center staff to answer the calls and answer the inquiries. And that's going to allow you to scale more because you're just getting more volume. Then this 3-step process is also going to give you larger profit margins because you're going to be spending less to acquire a customer, which means that your profits are going to be much greater. You're going to be able to build a bigger brand name. So the biggest problem is obviously you may be buying all your leads from lead providers. You may not be getting in front of all your customers at the right time in the right place. Using this 3-step process, we can actually build you a bigger brand name so people actually come to you for insurance instead of using other brands, other companies, third-party lead providers, aggregators, and all that type of stuff. And then what that does is just builds a better culture in the company because your staff haven't got to try and convince people to go through quotes. They've not got to be cold calling because you've been sold leads. It builds better culture because the people who are on the phones have actually come to your brand, they've discovered you, and they want to speak to you for a quote. This 3-step process, I'm not going to jump into on this video because like I said, it's going to take a while to run through that, and I don't want to bore everyone with that process if it's not something you're interested in. But if you are interested in knowing this 3-step process, how it can be applied to your brand, how you can generate more leads and more policyholders with the strategy that we apply in my agency, I've left a link in this video for a call schedule. Just a brief link. If you follow the link, there is another video that will show you what this call is about. It's a discovery call with myself, a short 15-minute discovery call to find out more information about your business and how we can help your business and to see if we're a good fit. Follow the link. It's a very short video for 3 minutes and explains a little bit more in depth what that discovery call is. But if you are interested in getting more policyholders, more leads for your business, and actually getting better performance on ads, or if you're not running no ads at all, you want to jump into running ads. Maybe you're running ads already on Google, you want to try Facebook. Maybe you're already on Facebook, you want to try Google. Maybe you're not on any of them and you want to try them all, or maybe you just want to get better results on one of them. That is something we can help you with on a complete done-for-you service or working alongside your team members. So I appreciate you listening. I hope you found some huge value from this. Follow the link and book in a call with me for a brief discussion to find out more about this strategy that we use to guarantee success for our clients. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Peace out.